Welcome guys, I'm going to show you how to see old posts that you like on Facebook. When I say old posts, I can say 3 years, 4 years ago, or as old as that. Now, if you want to get rid of the old posts that you have liked on Facebook manually, this is how to do it. So you go to Facebook application or the Facebook app, should be here, right? Open your Facebook application. And now, before I do that, let me go ahead and like a new post so that you can use that to actually know that this is actually working. This Adobe post right now, pay attention, Adobe post, Adobe Cloud post. You can see the image I clicked on like. Now, this is actually an old post. I can go ahead and close the application and reopen it. The reason why I'm doing it is because you want to see your old post. So that is assumed an old post. And do not worry, the older ones, we are also going to check it. Now you click on your profile image. Either you click on this or you click on this one. Whichever one, they are both your profile image. You click on that and then it's going to take you to your profile area. Now you notice this three-dotted icon right here. You click on it. You click on that. And then you scroll down and then you click on where it says activity log, right? You click on that. So when you click on this, it's going to bring you to this area. Now, next, you notice where this area is. Just about this area. This area. You swipe left. You swipe left. Swipe left until you see like and reaction. This is where you have all your likes. You click on that and then it's going to show the post I have liked. Now this is actually the post I liked. You can see the date right now, August 5th, right? Now if you keep scrolling, you are going to see different ones. This one is November 2024, which is a year ago. Now you can even go further, keep scrolling, and then you are going to see old one or old one. And now there is actually a way to go about it, to go to an older year, let's say 2003. This area, you click on this area to filter what you are looking for, and then you notice where it says date on the bottom. You click on the date to select which date that you want. I choose that, and then you click on the start date. I want to say let me say 2001. Click OK, and then the end date is going to be 2004, and then you click OK, and then you click on done. Now it's going to shuffle and show you from 2004 to 2001. Now you can see the 2003 post I've liked. Now I am not a very active Facebook user, so you are not going to see so many likes on my Facebook. You will not see me liking so many Facebook pages, except maybe I just open and then see it by mistake. So each one, if I want to unlike them, I can just unlike the image by clicking on this three-dotted icon right here, right? If you click on the three-dotted icon, you click on unlike and it's going to disappear once you unlike the post. Now let's say I want to see the post before I like it. I can click on it and then it's going to open the post. If the post is available, the post is going to be playing. Now you can see the post playing, and I can just manually click here to unlike it, and then you notice it unlike. I can click on it again, right, to like it back, and it's going to be updated to a new post that I've liked. The date is no longer going to be the same. You can see it's still right here. I don't know why it's still right here, but it's still going to update and update later on. So guys, this is how to like and unlike old posts. If you scroll down, you can see 2002 and so. So let me know if you have further questions regarding this. And also, there is no way to automatically delete everything. If you want to do them, you have to manually do them by clicking and liking them. Okay, yeah, it updated. You can see it updated to today. This is actually an old post I liked. I unliked and I liked again, and now it's showing updated. So I don't know why they left this trash, right? But I don't know why they left it, but if you click on it, it does nothing. You can see it says no item in trash. So is there actually a way to trash it? I don't know. There is no way to trash. What can you trash on like then? Facebook is weird. So this, guys, is what I want to show you. Initially, I thought you could actually click on this trash to automatically delete every post that you like, but that doesn't really work that way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, share it with your friends. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.